Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, become a part of our crew. We mostly do Boxycharm spoilers here, makeup tutorials, unboxings of all sorts. Today we will be unboxing the KitNipBox for Oliver. She is over here patiently waiting to see what comes in her box. If you guys don't know, I have a white Siamese cat. And she's quite mean, so I won't be like touching her or holding her anyway today. But I still love her. I still want her to be able to have treats. So, let's just hop into it. When you open it up, that's what it looks like. It says, thank you. We hope you enjoy your slumber party themed KitNipBox. A portion of our proceeds is donated to animal welfare causes. Thank you for supporting kitties in need with each box. How cute. I like that. And then it tells you what's in your box, a little bit about it, and prices. So, that's awesome. There are 2 different boxes. I'm not quite sure which one I got just yet. I'm not sure. So it comes monthly. The multi-cat box is $29.99 a month. The Happy Cat single cat box is $19.99 a month. It is free shipping to the USA, and then shipping to Canada is $6.95. Okay, cute little sticker right there. A little kitty. Okay, now give you a little, oh wow, that's a lot of toys. I'll give you a little sneak peek there. Oh my god, so cute. Where do I start? Okay, this is just catching my eye. It's super adorable. So, it's a little slipper, you guys. My voice just got kind of like nasally there. And it even says slumber party on the package. So cute. It rattles. So there's a little rattle right here. See that? Make sure I get all the plastic out of there for her. And then, yeah, it's like a little slipper. Oh, Oliver. Let's see if she likes it. She's checking it out. Okay, so that's one. Oh, she likes it. She's playing with it. Here, I'll show you if I can show you guys a sneak peek really quick. Can't flip it around. Nope, I'm not going to be able to. Dang it. Okay. She's rubbing the top of her head on it. Okay, so that is Max Slumber Party Jingling Slipper. Your kitty will be fascinated with this cat-sized replica of the shoes they love to steal. A hidden safety bell, Canadian catnip, and cushy realistic filling add to the fun. And that's valued at $5. So, aw, that's so cute. Okay, next. Oh, this is the Slumber Party You're Invited Cat-tastic Friends. And the belly is kind of hardish right here. And there's stuff falling out of it. What is this? AFP Cuddle Up Teddy Bear. Who goes to a slumber party without at least one of their favorite stuffed animals? This soft brown bear is waiting to walk into your cat's heart and be the cuddly friend they need to feel secure without their purr parent. $5 is what that retails for. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is the cutest thing ever. There is so much stuff in this box. Oliver's going to be one happy kitty today. Oliver. Oh my gosh. I think it's pretty safe to say she loves her teddy bear. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh. She's like in a trance upside down. That's cute. Okie dokie. Also, I wanted to apologize really quick. I am having a bad skin day. We all have them. It happens. It's okay. I'm embracing it. And we're moving on. Okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is a little sleeping bag. Catnip sleeping bag. She is just going to be all kinds of crazy on this catnip. Where are you? Safe made all nip sleeping bag. No slumber party is complete without a sleeping bag. Your kitties will be in a magical unicorn dreamland from the moment they hit the plump pillow till they cross the pink ribbon border. Filled with 100% North American catnip. And this is also valued at $5. Look at those little cat unicorns. So freaking adorable. And I'm so glad Oliver likes this stuff. She's so picky. She's the pickiest cat on the planet, I swear. So there it is. It's kind of like a little beanbag down here. And then just fluffy on top. So she keeps biting it. That's funny. Okie dokie. This is a great box. Okay. And then we have some treats. These are the Wellness Kittles Tasty Crunchy Cat Treats. There's over 150 treats in here, and they're chicken and cranberry recipe. Wellness Kittles grain-free. That's awesome. We don't feed our animals grain. Chicken and cranberry recipe crunchy cat treats. Made with high-protein chicken as the first ingredient. These tasty treats are a healthy snack you can feel good about. Less than 2 calories per treat and packed with wholesome ingredients like peas, blueberries, and cranberries. These are great for rewarding or just treating your cats to a scrumptious snack. And these are valued at $4 for the pack. That's super cool. Oliver. She's licking it, but she's not eating it. That's funny. Okay, so there's those. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is this contraption. I believe this is the Catch Some Z's wand. Help your cat family release all their excess energy as they zoom after the mouse of their dreams. This wooden wand is decorated with 3 Z's and finished with a furry mouse with an internal rattle for extra excitement, and this is valued at $7. How do you... Oh, like that. That was easy. So, take this one off. She loves these things. She got it. Okay, that was fun. Okay, and then it looks like we have about 3 things left in here. So let's go with this little thing. This is the Catnip and Snacks Kicker. Time for a party snack. What is this? Leap Catnip and Snacks Crinkle Kicker. Everybody knows the best part of a party are the snacks. This Kicker's drool-worthy catnip and crunchy crinkle filling will keep your kitties up playing all through the night. And this is also valued at $5. She's sitting over there chewing on the sleeping bag right now. That's funny. Sniffing around it. Okay, and then let's do this one, and then we'll do that one last. This one, Bonus Vita-Craft Per Sticks Sample Pack. A tasty and healthy treat for your kitties. This sample pack is a great way to introduce your furry friends to Vita-Craft's newest line. Per Sticks are single-serve size and great for a snack or reward. Just break off a portion at the indentation to help support healthy eyes and hearts. That's cool, and there's no value on it. It's just a little sample that was extra in the box. So let's see how she likes this. And then I believe it also might come with a coupon. Let me check. Oh, maybe not. Just a pamphlet that's talking about the company. That smells interesting. Oh, okay, there's little indentations. So let's break off this tiny little part just to see if she likes it. Over. I don't know if she saw that I dropped that down there. Oh. She found it. And she didn't eat it. She's the pickiest eater on the planet, so I didn't think she would. Okay, and then last but not least is this cute little guy. This is the Playful Pet Crinkle Ice Cream Sandwich. This fuzzy Neapolitan midnight snack is stuffed to bursting with a thin layer of crinkle. Its smile is sure to delight your furry family, and this is valued at $6. And a safety bell. Oh, she ate her treats, both of them. Maggie, no, that's not for you. Oh my gosh, Oliver is so overwhelmed with all of her toys right now. So that was the KitNipBox. What did you guys think about it? Would you like to get this for your little fur babies? Let me know down in the comments. And this was super fun. Uh-oh. They're starting to fight over the toys. I gotta go. Love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!